Hi guys, here's a video like we haven't done it for a while. So I come across this Chevy Camaro here, using as a Ford guy. I thought doesn't look bad, and the price is it's 19,990. That's not much for 2016. It has 68,000 miles, but it's the 4-cylinder engine, the 2 liters, so the smallest you could get, and that explains the price there. Other than that, it's pretty neat looking vehicle. Just kind of like a dying breed. You don't see many of those vehicles anymore, Mustangs or Camaros. It's all SUVs and trucks, and those trucks here, they're way more expensive, and I think this is a pretty good vehicle, you know, if you want to have something a little bit different, and for the price too. Now, I'm not gonna inspect this one too much. This dealership here has a ton of cameras, and they keep whistling at me, which is fine. I know, I understand it for them, but it's a little annoying because you kind of feel like you're being watched the whole time you look at the vehicles. On the other hand, you're not doing anything wrong. See, there's some scratches here. Yeah, pretty nice vehicle for the price. Don't see many anymore of that are cheap nowadays. Everything is so expensive. The prices blow up for the trucks too. It's crazy. So here you have it, a Camaro 2016 RS. All right, see you next time.